Hello, my name's Caleb, and today I'll be teaching you how to do a bird dog, which is a core exercise, and all you'll need for this core exercise is the floor. So get into an almost like a push-up stance with your knees staying on the ground, so hands right below the shoulders, and try to keep a neutral spine throughout the entire movement. What we're going to do is one hand will go up, the opposite leg will come back, keeping that neutral spine. And make sure your breathing is controlled throughout the entire movement, and make sure you're going nice and slow, going up with the arm and back with the leg, slow and controlled. Make sure to breathe. Do 2 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Thank you.